Welcome guys to another tutorial. My name is Dan Olivet. If this is your first time tuning into our YouTube channel, in this channel we talk about mathematics to the in-depth. If your first time tuning to this channel, I consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our video. We upload videos every day. So today I present before you logarithms. And when we talk about logarithm, what exactly is logarithm? Yes, we must try to understand that logarithm is one of those topics in mathematics that really matter. That if as a mathematics student you don't understand it, you will have issues, challenges in other things you want to do in mathematics. So by definition, the logarithm of a number n to base a, written as logarithm n log n base a, is the power to which a must be raised to obtain n. Now, which simply means, if you look at this, what I've just written here, what's the meaning of this? What I've just said now, it simply means that by the time, if I am saying log n base a, I must definitely look for a number at which a will be raised to give me n. Get it right. Now, if I say log 100 base 10, log 100 base what? Base 10. What do I do here? What do? I simply see, since I don't know the number of which I must raise this 10 to, I'm going to say let that number be what? The x. So by the time I would now see, the next thing I would have said 10 raised to power s equal to 100. You get it now? So I then see 10 to power of x equal to, in how many places this 10, how many places am I going to find, how many times am I going to use 10 to multiply itself that will equally give me what? 100. That is in two places. That's 10 raised to power 2. So I'm having the same base here now, so I can cancel them. So therefore, the power at which I'm going to raise this, I'm going to raise 10 to, that will give me 100 is what? Is 2. So if I say 10 raised to power 2 is equal to 100, you can see that means, and that is why it is stated here. Therefore, for every logarithmic equation, there must be its corresponding index equation. So the corresponding index equation here is that the index here is 2. So by the time I say 10 times 10 is giving me 100, so giving me this log back. So that is what this explanation simply means. I believe you understand what I've just explained to you. All right, so let's solve more questions on this. So I believe if we solve more questions on this, and if we solve more questions on this, you will understand this better. So from there, we move to the laws of logarithm, where we begin to we learn how to implement the laws in questions. You get it now? So let's solve more questions on this. All right. So these are questions. So what do we do here now? I'll pick the first one. Let's solve together. So we have logarithm log 16 base 2. So since we don't know the power at which 2 is raised to, we're going to say equal to x. Consider that to be x. So we then see 2 to the power. This x here will become a power to the 2. Get it right. The x here will become a power. So if this x become a power, that means we say equal to what? 16. So the next thing you do here, you say 2 to power what? To the power of 6, 2 to the power of x. Then ask yourself, in how many places will 2 be raised? In what power will 2 be raised that when it's being multiplied, it will give you what? 16. That means 2 will be raised to the power of 4. Because when I see 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 will give me 16. So I'm having the same base, I can what? Eliminate 8. So my answer here now is x equal to 4. So to check, you are going to say, okay, since I'm having log 16 base 2, so if I bring this this x now, x is considered to be what? To be 4. So I will put this 2 here now. That's 2 to the power of what? 4. So that means I'm having log 16 equal to what? 2 to the power of 4 is what? Is 16. So we are balanced. So that's why they say the logarithmic equation must be corresponding. You get it now? So the next question now is what? Is this. This one says log 4 square root 2 to the base of 2. So be careful. You must do something here which has to do with salt. So what you do here is log. Now this 4 has been looked. This 4 was initially inside here, and when it was here, we tried to look for the original of this 4, which is 16, because by the time they say 16, square root of 16 is 4. You get it now? So that means we see 16 times 2 here to the base of 2. So we see log what? That's 16 times 2. That's giving us what? Log square root 32. So this is the real question. You can see how they started from the back and giving you question. So the next thing you do here is, so then you see log. We don't know exactly log 32 to the base of what. Now I'm obeying the law of indices here. So that's why I said indices and logarithm, they are brother and sister. Hey God, they are brother and sisters. So this one here, this square root forms 1 over what? 1 over 2 as a power. So this is 2 here. Now we don't know what this is raised to. The 2 is raised to that give us 32. You get it now? So what we do, we say consider it to be x. So by the time, so the next thing we are going to do here now, we're going to say equal to 2 to the power of x. This x here become a power equal to 32 to the power of what? Of half. So the next thing I will do here, I will say 2 to the power of s. Now how many? I want to reduce this 32 to the power to this base, this same base 2. So I will say 2 to the power of what? Of 5. Yes, because when I say 5, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 5 places will give me 32. So and I have half up there. So the next one, say 2 to the power of x and 5 times 1. So I will multiply. I multiply the power multiply power. 5 times 1 over 2 is giving me 5 over 2. So you can see I'm having the same base. So it has elevated. My answer here now is therefore x is equal to 5 over 2. So that is our answer for that. So the last question here now, I'll put the last question. I'll put the last question. So we've been doing it. You see x. So that's 9 to the power of x equal to 1 3. So reducing this now, that's giving me 3 to the power of what? Of 2 x. So this is in indices. This is what gives us in indices, because in indices we see x to the power of what? Minus 1. That's giving me 1 over s. So that's what I did here. So power multiply power, that's giving me 2x, 2 to the power of x. So 3 to the power of 2x, 3 to the power of minus 1. Base are the same. So 2x equal to minus 1. Divide both side by what? By 2. 2 here. That's s is equal to minus 1 over 2. So you can see how these things are very simple. Very, very simple. These things are very simple. They are things which you just need to, once you kind of look into it very well, you're going to see that they are very simple. Thank you very much. I believe you really enjoy this class. If you really enjoy this class and you find value in this video, please, I'm begging you, you know what to do for me? Kindly share this video on Facebook. Anywhere you are watching this video, share it. Let people watch also, just the way you are watching. There are a lot of people there having mathematical problems. Seriously, there are a lot of people having mathematical challenges. So they need to be liberated. They need to be delivered from mathematical words. will I call it mathematical challenge? Yes, mathematical challenge issues. So they need to be delivered. And I believe this, I've really simplified this topic. I've started this topic, which I'm going to go deeper into this topic. And I believe you yourself watching now, you found value in this topic, what I've just explained now. If you do, drop your comment in the comment section below the YouTube, or in the Facebook, anywhere you watch this video, that's truly this topic. Just comment in the comment section and share this video to your friends, share to groups. Let this video go viral. And don't forget, if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe. Our YouTube channel is DH Online Math Tutorial. Thank you very much. I remain my humble self, Daniel Libet. Bye. See you next video. We will continue the next topic.